Welcome to Exploring the Universe, a beginner's guide to astronomy. In this video series, we will take you on a journey through the vast expanse of space and explore the wonders of the universe. Whether you are a seasoned astronomer or just starting out, this series will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the cosmos. A montage of images of the night sky, including stars, planets, and galaxies. Astronomy is the study of celestial objects and phenomena that exist beyond our planet Earth. It is a fascinating field that has captured the imagination of humans for thousands of years. From the ancient civilizations who used the stars to navigate the seas, to the modern-day scientists who use telescopes and satellites to explore the cosmos, astronomy has always been a subject of wonder and curiosity. A timeline of the history of astronomy, starting with ancient civilizations and ending with modern-day space exploration. In this video series, we will cover the basics of astronomy, including the tools and techniques used by astronomers, the different types of celestial objects, and the theories that explain the workings of the universe. We will also explore some of the most exciting discoveries in astronomy, from the discovery of exoplanets to the detection of gravitational waves. A montage of images of different types of celestial objects, including stars, planets, and galaxies. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on a journey through the cosmos. In the next segment, we will discuss the tools and techniques used by astronomers to study the universe. In this segment, we will discuss the tools and techniques used by astronomers to study the universe. These tools have evolved over time, from the naked eye observations of ancient civilizations to the advanced telescopes and satellites used by modern-day astronomers. A montage of images of different telescopes and satellites used in astronomy, including the Hubble Space Telescope and the Chandra X-ray Observatory. Telescopes are the primary tool used by astronomers to observe the universe. They collect and focus light from celestial objects, allowing astronomers to study them in detail. There are two main types of telescopes: refracting telescopes, which use lenses to focus light, and reflecting telescopes, which use mirrors. A diagram showing the difference between refracting and reflecting telescopes. In addition to telescopes, astronomers also use other instruments to study the universe. These include spectrographs, which analyze the light emitted by celestial objects to determine their chemical composition, and cameras, which capture images of the night sky. A montage of images of different instruments used in astronomy, including spectrographs and cameras. Another important technique used by astronomers is the use of computer simulations. These simulations allow astronomers to model the behavior of celestial objects and test different theories about the workings of the universe. A montage of images of computer simulations of celestial objects and phenomena. Finally, astronomers also use satellites to study the universe. Satellites can observe the universe in wavelengths of light that are blocked by Earth's atmosphere, such as X-rays and gamma rays. A montage of images of different satellites used in astronomy, including the Chandra X-ray Observatory and the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope. In the next segment, we will discuss the different types of celestial objects that astronomers study, including stars, planets, and galaxies. In this segment, we will discuss the different types of celestial objects that astronomers study. These objects include stars, planets, and galaxies. A montage of images of different types of celestial objects, including stars, planets, and galaxies. Stars are the most common type of celestial object in the universe. They are massive, luminous balls of gas that generate energy through nuclear fusion. Stars come in a variety of sizes and colors, and their properties can tell astronomers a great deal about the universe. A montage of images of different types of stars, including red giants and white dwarfs. Planets are another type of celestial object that astronomers study. They are smaller than stars and do not generate their own energy. Instead, they reflect the light of their parent star. Planets come in a variety of sizes and compositions, and their study can tell us about the formation and evolution of our own solar system. A montage of images of different types of planets, including gas giants and rocky planets. Galaxies are collections of stars, gas, and dust that are held together by gravity. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and their study can tell us about the structure and evolution of the universe. A montage of images of different types of galaxies, including spiral galaxies and elliptical galaxies. In addition to stars, planets, and galaxies, astronomers also study other types of celestial objects, such as asteroids, comets, and black holes. These objects can tell us about the history and composition of the universe. A montage of images of different types of celestial objects, including asteroids, comets, and black holes. In the next segment, we will discuss the theories that explain the workings of the universe, including the Big Bang Theory and the theory of relativity. In this segment, we will discuss the theories that explain the workings of the universe. These theories have been developed over centuries of observation and experimentation, and they continue to evolve as new discoveries are made. A montage of images of famous scientists who contributed to the development of theories of the universe, including Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking. The Big Bang theory is the most widely accepted theory of the origin of the universe. It states that the universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature, and has been expanding ever since. This theory is supported by a variety of observations, including the cosmic microwave background radiation, a diagram showing the expansion of the universe according to the Big Bang theory, as well as an image of the cosmic microwave background radiation. Another important theory in astronomy is the theory of relativity, developed by Albert Einstein. This theory describes the relationship between space and time, and it has important implications for the study of gravity and the behavior of celestial objects. A diagram showing the curvature of space-time according to the theory of relativity. In addition to these theories, astronomers also study other areas of physics, such as quantum mechanics and particle physics, to better understand the workings of the universe. A montage of images of particle accelerators and other tools used in particle physics. The study of the universe is a constantly evolving field, and new discoveries are being made all the time. As our understanding of the universe grows, so too does our appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. A montage of images of different celestial objects, including stars, planets, and galaxies. In the final segment, we will discuss some of the most exciting discoveries in astronomy, from the detection of gravitational waves to the search for extraterrestrial life. In this final segment, we will discuss some of the most exciting discoveries in astronomy. These discoveries have revolutionized our understanding of the universe and opened up new avenues of research. A montage of images of different discoveries in astronomy, including the detection of gravitational waves and the discovery of exoplanets. One of the most exciting recent discoveries in astronomy is the detection of gravitational waves. These ripples in space-time were predicted by Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, and their detection has opened up a new window into the study of the universe. A diagram showing the detection of gravitational waves by the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory LIGO. Another exciting area of research in astronomy is the search for exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. The discovery of exoplanets has shown that our solar system is not unique, and has raised the possibility of finding life elsewhere in the universe. A montage of images of different exoplanets and their host stars. In addition to these discoveries, astronomers are also studying the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, which make up the majority of the universe but are invisible to telescopes. A montage of images of different simulations and models of dark matter and dark energy. The study of the universe is a never-ending journey of discovery, and there is still so much we have yet to learn. But with each new discovery, we gain a deeper understanding of the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. A montage of images of different celestial objects, including stars, planets, and galaxies. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the universe. We hope that this video series has inspired you to learn more about the wonders of the cosmos. A final montage of images of different celestial objects accompanied by music.